Alright fellas, so officially, and it's taken forever, but I've officially mounted the Street Demon carb onto the 350. Had to keep waiting on being able to order or get the right studs, only because see, these are the studs that came in the kit, and normally they're the right length. But I also ordered, when I ordered the kit, I also ordered this riser or spacer or whatever you want to call it, which ends up helping a bit with airflow and fuel mixture. So, and I actually want to have that on there, so I needed to have longer carburetor studs in order for that to work. These just aren't long enough. But yeah, this is not bad at all. What happened was, in my previous video, I know I mentioned that if you look over here, hopefully it's visible. I'll use this as a pointer. There used to be a vacuum port here. It was plugged, but over time, in my mind, I thought I just missed the crack underneath. There was a crack, but I realized after thinking about it that the crack developed over time. It wasn't actually there. The crack wasn't actually there when I first got the carb. Because again, this is just a mold that isn't actually like good quality aluminum. It's just a mold. But anyway, I used JB Weld and plugged the entire passage of this port. I'm not gonna really use it anyway. I have so many other ports that I can choose or pick to choose from. That port would typically, you could use it for your brake booster. But anyway, it's sort of, if it holds, and I don't see why it wouldn't. I'm pretty sure it would hold, because I've used JB Weld in that fashion before. I've actually used it on, even though you wouldn't be able to tell all that much, when I deleted all the EGR components and from the D21, I also plugged all the vacuum ports that existed. Let's see. There's these two here. It's tough to see, but there's two here. Another one here. Okay, here's the other one. And this one up here. And these I snagged a bolt that was a similar size as those ports, and just dabbed JB Weld all over it, and then just slid it in there, clamped it down so it would keep, and just left it like that overnight. And they've held real good since. I haven't had any issues with any vacuum leaks or anything like that. And again, it was only a few of those ports that needed to be plugged that way. So I'm pretty certain that this vacuum port will hold up. Anyway, as always, I don't want to make this longer than it already is. And I'll see you.